Ozone-depleting substances, ODSs, are split into two groups under the Clean Air Act. The substances in each group are listed on the EPA's website. The groups are divided as follows. Class 1 refrigerants cause or contribute significantly to the degradation of the stratospheric ozone layer. This class includes CFCs, halons, and other ODSs. Class 2 refrigerants are known or reasonably anticipated to cause or contribute to harmful effects on the ozone layer. This class includes HCFCs. Besides having a high ozone depletion potential, ODP, many Class 1 and Class 2 refrigerants and some of their substitutes are potent greenhouse gases with high global warming potential, GWP. A substance's GWP value reflects its ability to trap heat in the atmosphere and its longevity. As a result, many substitutes for ODS refrigerants, including HFCs like R134A, are covered by EPA regulations and being phased out.